Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
ma'am.
Good afternoon. So let us start from where we have where we have done yesterday. Uh, for the CBSE expression series, I have received very few entries. So this I have already mentioned over here. By this evening, you have to send it. Only few entries have come to me from 8B, and those who are willing to send, please send it, because if the competition is amongst few students, then it is easier for you to uh, get the winning chance. Okay, so if you are interested, please send me. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you have sent it as the link for that reading challenge. But ma'am, sorry to say, but the videos
it's
are
not
not uploading.
it's not uploading. Okay, I'll make it again and I'll send the link again. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, we have to read that only story, the story of, I mean, yes, ma'am, the
You
story
just
of
just a
Maggie.
paragraph, huh? Just a paragraph, that's it. Just not a big video. It should be just for 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, not more than that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The activity that we have done here in the class. Okay, only a paragraph reading, that's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so here in this we have done all these things. Are clear to everyone? Linking verbs and all. Finite, non-finite also I've explained it to you yesterday. Remember, all the things are
Yes,
done.
ma'am, we have to start from the parts of infinite verb, that is
Yes,
gerund, participle, and
and infinitives.
infinitives.
Yes. So somebody wants to join in. So we'll start from here only. Kinds of
Good
finites.
afternoon, ma'am. Kinds
Good
of.
afternoon, beta. Kinds of finites. Okay, so we know that non-finites verbs are of three kinds. These are gerunds, participles, and infinitives. Okay, so these three are the parts of non-finite verbs. Clear? Now, what are infinitives? Infinitives are to plus verb. Okay, for example, to come, to go, to play, okay, etc. There are number of verbs we add with to plus verb. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but sometimes it is used without to also. Okay, so these verbs are called bare infinitives. It is sometimes it is used without to, and it is called bare infinitives. We have example of bare infinitives here. Somebody wants to join in. Let me add that child. Those who have just joined, please give your attendance here. Okay, this is over here, bare infinitives. For example, here, she heard him shout with fear. Okay, now here you can see heard and shout are used without to. Okay, getting it? So that is why it is called bare infinitives. There are no to in these verbs. Okay, okay. Here also, rather than to give up here, to is not here. Just give up is written over here. Okay, why to complain? Sometimes we used to say why to complain anyone, but here it is why complain. So here it is called bare infinitive. Okay, here to find something, but here she helped me find the house. So to is not here, to is not mentioned again, it is here, it is called bare infinitive where to has been omitted. Okay. Then modal verbs also. After, this is a rule that after modal verbs such as shall, will, should, can, might, must, to is not going to be there along with the verb. For example, she must leave now, not to leave now. Okay, to will be omitted. We shall accept the invitation, not to accept. Okay, so in these cases bare infinitives are used. Getting it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There these one more note is there that bare infinitives is also used after than, is also used after than, this word than, and after but. When the word but means except, when this but means except, इसको छोड़ के, इसके अलावा. Okay, the lady did nothing but complain, मतलब except complaining she did nothing. Okay, here but means except complaining she did nothing. Did you get that? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here but means except. So that is in these two cases. Here he can better act than sing. Okay, than sing. So here than to is omitted. To bear, it is here, sing is bare infinitive. To will not be used here. So in these cases, when after some words of perception like feel, hear, know, watch, to see, here to is not going to be used. Then as a complement to some expressions like had better, would rather, I would rather work hard than give up. Okay, so then also I also told you that after than, to infinitives, verbs are going to be used without to. Okay, that is bare infinitive. Here also usually after the words why not, why or why not, that means why not take a bus, why complain, then also we avoid using to in these infinitives. Then often expressions but, except, help. For example, she helped me find the house. Okay, then here find is without to. Then he will do anything except cheat, except to cheat is, to is omitted here. Okay, so except cheat is master. The here also cheat is without to, that is bare infinitives. And then I told you that this is a rule that modals after modals we don't have to use to before the verb. Okay, so this is again um, not accepted. Okay, and after that only than and but, when but is used as an except, iske alawa, then we don't have to use to before the verb. Did you get that? All these things are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? Sneha, Anushka, Nandini,
No, ma'am.
Govind, any
No, ma'am.
other children? Any one of you? bare infinitive समझ गए, जहाँ पे to का use हम नहीं करेंगे. Okay, before verbs
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are not going to use to. Okay, these are called bare infinitives. Otherwise infinitives are written over here. यहाँ पे infinitives पता है, अगर खाली infinitives की बात होती है कि fill in the blanks with the help of infinitives, then to plus verb. ठीक है, बस अगर क्वेश्चन आएगा कि to fill in the blanks with the correct infinitives, और वहाँ पे जैसे लिखा होगा he is about dash leave for the show.
About to leave.
हाँ, अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आएगा, you have to fill it with the correct form of infinitives, correct for verb form of infinitives. तो क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? To leave.
Leave.
हाँ, he is about to leave for the show. Did you get that now?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब इसके बाद जो हमारा आता है that is gerund. जेरेंड और पार्टिसिपल में बस इतना फ़र्क है कि जेरेंड इज ट्रीटेड एज अ नाउन वेर एज पार्टिसिपल इज ट्रीटेड एज एन एडजेक्टिव. जहाँ भी पार्टिसिपल यू आ रहा होगा जिस भी सेंटेंस में आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि इट इज यूज्ड एज अ एडजेक्टिव. व्हाट एडजेक्टिव्स डज, they used to give the what, tell me, quality, right? They define the quality of the subject. Okay, that is why we called it adjectives. Okay, it gives the quality, it exhibits the quality of the subject. And gerunds here are functioning as a noun. They work as a noun in a sentence. For example, here I have written dancing is my hobby. So what is my hobby? Dancing. Here dancing is used as a gerund, and she likes dancing, so it is defining about her what she likes. Okay, dancing. So here dancing is worked as an adjective. So that is why it is here, it is participle, but here it is gerund. Okay, getting it? For example, she I saw dancing dolls in a shop. So what kind of a doll I have seen? Come on, answer. Are you all there?
Ma'am, can you repeat question?
So I am writing this sentence. I have written this sentence that I saw dancing dolls in a shop. So what kind of a dolls I have seen in a shop? Dancing dolls. So dancing is defining what kind of a dolls were there. Okay, so that means it is giving us the quality of that doll. That means that if it is giving a quality, it is considered to be as a adjective, right? So adjective अगर है तो क्या हो जाएगा? It is, then it is,
I'm defining the object.
defining the object, then it becomes adjective. Then adjective, if this is giving a, uh, 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 effect of an adjective, then it is considered to be as a what kind of a non-finite? Participle. Yes, it is considered to be as a participle of the non-finite verb. Okay, but if I say dancing is a good exercise. Now here I'm telling you about what kind of a exercise the dancing is. It is here the dancing is used as a noun. Okay, it is not giving any quality, but it is used as a noun. Then here it is considered to be as a what? Gerund. Getting it? Why you all are not answering? If you are not understanding, tell me that, ma'am, I am not understanding it.
Ma'am, explain one more time, ma'am. Gerund.
Okay, okay. So now first of all, gerund and participle both are ing form of the verb. ये दोनों common, ये दोनों चीजें common है इनमें. बात समझ आ गई? ओके, ये बस ये दोनों चीज़ें कॉमन है. एक चीज़ कॉमन है और एक चीज़ डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, कॉमन है कि ये दोनों आईएनजी फॉर्म होते हैं, ये भी आईएनजी फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे ये जो जेरिंड है, इट वर्क्स लाइक अ नाउन एंड दिस पार्टिसिपल वर्क्स लाइक एन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव क्या डिफाइन करता है? क्वालिटी ऑफ समथिंग, राइट? Yes, and noun is a kind of a something that defines. Okay, defines what we are talking about in a sentence. Okay, Here in this sentence, dancing is my hobby, so it is defining what kind of a hobby I'm having. Okay, so here dancing is considered to be as a gerund, but here she likes dancing, it is giving the quality of this person. It is stating the quality of this person, so that what she likes dancing, and that is a kind of a quality she bears. Okay, that is why here dancing is considered to be as a participle. ठीक है, बहुत क्वांटम फिजिक्स नहीं है, एकदम इजी है, समझ में आ रहा है ये, कि जहाँ पर भी आप ये समझ जाओ कि ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब है और वो किसी चीज़ को डिफाइन, किसी की क्वालिटी बता रहा है, देन इट इज़ पार्टिसिपल, एंड इफ इट इज़ defining something, then it is a noun considered to be as a gerund. Okay, like showing you here, there is this exercise given on this thing. इसमें नहीं है कोई एक्सरसाइज, there should be one exercise given. Okay, चलो maybe we have in another chapter. ठीक है, so this much you have to understand, that if it is defining a quality, it is an adjective. For example, one more example I can give you. uh, mm, skating is a skating
A type of sport.
is a type of, नहीं, skating is a exciting activity. Okay, skating is an exciting activity. Okay, now here what kind of an activity is skating, is it is defining that, isn't it? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
skating is something in here, we are defining what kind of a skating, what kind of an activity
And
skating
gerund.
is. So then here it is considered to be as a gerund. But if I write children likes skating
Ma'am, participle.
during winters, then it is giving the quality. What does children likes? They like skating.
Skating.
Yes, then here it is considered to be as a participle.
A participle.
Huh. Okay, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is how it goes. This is how it when we are finding, when we have to find out gerund, it is very much visible that when some word is giving a kind of a adjective or a quality of anything, any object, then it is participle, and if it is giving defining something, then it is gerund as a noun. Okay, if it is defining as something as a noun, then it is gerund. Okay, clear this much? I'll give you a exercise based on uh, gerund and participle right now, so that you can easily identify it. Okay, पापा अपना phone देना. Okay, so I'm giving you uh, an exercise based on gerund and participle. ठीक है, so now after doing that, you can easily identify what gerunds and participles are. Clear? Okay, children, are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, we'll do it right now. ये कौन आया? सो रहा था. अंजलि. अंजलि, where were you? uh, Anjali, am I audible?
Ma'am, her mic is not
Okay.
working properly. That's why in every classes she's just
She couldn't.
talking with the
So
speech from
Anjali,
chat
please
box.
fix your Anjali, please fix your mic, okay? Because if you will not ask anything, then it will be a big problem for you. Get your mic fixed, and every time, maybe sometimes teacher skip seeing the question that you're writing in a message box. So your mic should be working, okay? Get your mic fixed, right? So identify. Question is identify gerunds and participle in the following sentences. You have to underline them also, okay? So what you will do, you will write the entire sentence and then you have to underline it with a black pen. Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Trespassing is prohibited. It was an interesting movie. समझ में तो आ रहा होगा ना everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of trespassing?
To cross any particular area without permission. Okay?
And
Smoking.
ma'am, trespassers were them who crossed that line, particular line.
Yes, trespassers to cross that line, and trespassing is not to cross any particular area. Smoking is injurious. इंजीरियस की स्पेलिंग ठीक है? INGURIOUS. हाँ
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है. स्मोकिंग इज इंजीरियस टू हेल्थ. बहुत आसानी से आप लोग पिक कर पा रहे होंगे, है ना? और
Yes, ma'am.
अगर किसी को मुश्किल हो रही है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, you've not understood. So is anyone finding difficulty in figuring out the answers?
No, ma'am.
कोई है ऐसा जिसको आंसर ढूंढने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? क्योंकि मैं लिख रही हूँ एंड मेनी ऑफ यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर. डोंट शेयर इट राइट नाउ, बट यू कैन easily फाइंड आउट. Isn't it? So 2 3 sentences again I'll be giving it to you. She likes dreaming of fairies and wonderlands. Okay, and the last one is dreaming helps us get disconnected with the outer world. Okay, anyone is
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
anyone is getting having any problem in finding out the answers? किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? प्लीज स्पीक ऑनेस्टली. इस एक्सरसाइज में किसी को दिक्कत आ रही है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, no problem.
है ना? It's easy ना? If it is easy for you, that means you have understood the difference between gerunds and participles. But if it is difficult, then that means you have not understood. So please tell me honestly whether you are figuring out the answer or not. You are easily figuring out the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, हम एक पूछते हैं.
Yes.
एक हम पूछते हैं. Smoking is injurious to health. What is the verb and what kind of a non-finite it is?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, gerund.
Smoking. And what is the verb over here?
Smoking.
Smoking is the verb, and what kind of a non-finite it is? Gerund. Why? Because here.
Ma'am, gerund.
हाँ, तो understood now clearly?
Ma'am, now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? यहाँ पर फोर्थ वाले में देर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ पर हम एक करेक्शन करते हैं. इट वॉज एन इंटरेस्टिंग मूवी. इसको हम डिलीट कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे एक एरर हो गया है. इट वॉज एन इंटरेस्टिंग. इट वॉज एन. यहाँ पर एन आएगा. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm sharing. Fine, everyone? ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm coming back to the meeting now. So only few minutes are left. At 2:05 your class is going to over. It is already 2. So 5 minutes I'm giving you to refresh yourself and ready for the last period. Please do attend the last period, everyone. Everyone has given the attendance in the message box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you have understood the difference between gerund and participle, and if it's not clear, please ask me without any hesitation. Complete the exercise that I have given, and if there is any difficulty in solving that exercise, let me know. Tomorrow we will be sharing the answers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, everyone? Okay, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, please give your attendance and then be ready for the next class. You can leave this meeting. Okay, thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, take care, everyone. See you tomorrow.